Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mart Review My Usage Experience. Mart Review My Usage Experience offers short-term loan reviews and comparisons. Its main purpose is to help users find the best short-term loan options available to them, comparing factors like interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. The target audience is individuals needing quick access to small amounts of money and want to compare different lenders before committing. Their website provides details on the methodology behind their reviews and ratings. Their website highlights ease of use as a key selling point, claiming straightforward comparisons and transparent information. They emphasize no hidden fees in their partner lender listings, although this should be verified individually with each lender. They don't use any specific technology beyond aggregating publicly available lender information. Availability is nationwide, as they review lenders across the US. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mart Review My Usage Experience. I needed a small loan to cover an unexpected car repair, so I decided to try this service. Getting started was a breeze. The website is clean and intuitive. I simply entered my zip code and the amount I needed. The results were presented in a clear, easy-to-understand table, allowing me to compare interest rates and fees from various lenders. I particularly appreciated the detailed explanations of each lender's terms and conditions, which helped me to make an informed decision. The site's search filters were also very helpful, allowing me to quickly narrow down the options based on my specific needs and preferences. The entire process from initial search to finding a suitable lender took about 20 minutes. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to use my laptop for the entire process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Mart Review My Usage Experience. It saved me a significant amount of time and helped me find a loan with favorable terms. I was really impressed by how user-friendly the site was and how much information they provided. That's my overview of Mart Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.